Hi everyone, we got our order in from Fast Growing Trees, so I'm going to open it up. It's going to be some of the lavender that we needed to plant, the sensational lavender, to create the lavender hedge that I wanted to create. Let me show you where the existing lavender is. You might have seen it in our front beds when I've been trimming it before, and we had 8, and only 2 of the 8 survived. So I wanted to show you how you can get these shipped from Fast Growing Trees, and they're pretty cool. And then we're gonna put them up here. And this is, I wanna say, the 2nd or 3rd year for this lavender. Let me show you. Sprinklers are on. So this is a mature size, and we're gonna have one here, one there, and maybe one here. So we're gonna create a hedge that goes around. And that's the one that survived. So when it does survive, it does really well. There's our lamb's ear that we cut back. We're gonna pull some weeds today too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these boxes. I'm gonna set them out, water them. I'm not planting them today. We'll plant them in the morning. In the morning, I'm gonna come out early when it's not hot, pull the weeds, and plant these babies. I also got some mums, or chrysanthemums. Short version of that is mums, and it is mid-September, so that's going to be perfect for October. So let's get these unpacked. It doesn't look like it says this side up, so what I'll do is I'll just make sure the letters are up on the box. Buy trees, you can buy shrubs, you can buy, I don't think you can get seeds. They do, I think, down to 1 gallon containers for pots, but I've purchased things like avocado trees, a lemon tree. I've purchased some of our evergreens from there, all kinds of stuff, our lavender. Okay, these are the mums. Okay, so this one is a yellow mum. It smells kind of good too. Technically, chrysanthemums can be perennials, but they don't do so well in lower temperature or lower climate areas, and so they mark it yellow. So technically, we treat these like annuals where we live. So it doesn't look like I did get the lavender then, because I ordered 2 yellow and 2 orange of these. There's the other yellow. They're pretty big size. These were $24.99 a piece, which is about what you get at the store. It comes with, let's see, seasonal arrival tips, so it tells you how to plant them and how to care for them. I feel like they handle these with care. They're pretty well taken care of. Very few bent or broken branches. These are even, you see the varietal difference. So these are the orange ones and these are the yellow ones. And it looks like the leaf pattern is actually different on the orange ones than the, orange, than the yellow ones. So that's interesting, I didn't know that. The orange chrysanthemum. You can get these in all kinds of colors. You can get them in white, like a darker pink. I think you can get them in like a maroon, magenta, kind of like a red, and then yellow and orange were the ones that I picked because I felt like those were good fall colors. And they sold these in 2 packs, and it looks like, yep, sensational lavender, 0 shipped so far. So we'll get those when we get those. All right, you guys, I'll let you know when they come in.